As you're all aware, government has over time worked towards controlling and improving the quality of grain and grain products traded on the Ugandan regional and global market. This is in tandem with the National Grain Trade Policy of 2015 that requires that all public entities should procure grain and grain products from providers that are certified by Uganda National Bureau of Standards. Uganda grain and grain products form a major commodity traded within East African community and beyond. However, our products have been rejected across frontiers due to poor harvest management practices that led to contamination with aflatoxins, among other quality issues, which are post-harvest issues and many others. Therefore, there is need to enforce compliance to grain and grain product standards to protect humans and animal health and promote cross-border trade and international trade for us to fetch more currency in our country.
I would like to appreciate the initiative from Ministry of Finance that set this in motion, and EPDA for coming up with these guidelines. Looking at this invitation yesterday, I was like, I wish we had these guidelines yesterday. We needed this to police ourselves. I'd like to appreciate UNBS for the job well done, for taking the initiative to at least certify. I know it just didn't come easy, like you go in and certify, but you had to go through the inspections, introducing these 630 service providers into the regulations to the level of having them as certified service providers. To us as Ministry of Trade, this is just a drop in the ocean. Well knowing the multitudes out there trying to do grain aggregation, grain trading, grain milling, and other commodities.
I would like to, as UNBS, say that this is quite instrumental in as far as delivering the mandate, the huge mandate of the Bureau. If I can just reflect a little bit on the mandate, UNBS has a mandate to ensure public health, safety, and environment. We further have a mandate to ensure fair trade, customer protection, and ensuring value for money in whatever you purchase, and to ensure that also whatever you purchase is fit for purpose. Our mandate further goes beyond just the customer, but also ensuring the competitiveness of our locally made products.
I can't thank you, PPDA, I can't thank you enough. Because this is a journey we started miles back. Now that we are achieving this, it has two-pronged approaches, and we are achieving two things. One, the health. To us, that one comes supreme. And the trade. Honorable Minister, we have invested heavily in the sector. Just to give you a hint, my members have invested over, and this one should be underlined, over $200 million in processing equipment, in warehouse, in silos and equipment. So this is a task that we have undertaken over time, having been established in 2012. The sector had been orphaned for long, and we said, no, we need to work together and get policy, and then we try to advocate for what is good for the country. And Uganda being positioned as a food basket, this is going to benefit both us locally, regionally, and we are going to tap into the Africa Free Continental Trade Area.